mustabid hukumatlar qo'llangan davlat bostirish taktikalarining o'zidimi o'zgarish bo'ldimi? Buning javobi shundoq kechiring taktikalar haqida to'xtalsak, men asosliqi Xitoyning qo'llangan usullar haqida so'zlayman. Chunki biz ko'proq shuni bilamiz. Shuni boshdan kechiryapmiz va shu haqda ko'p anglaymiz. Menimcha, Xitoyning taktikalarining eng ro'shan alohidligi shuki, ularning ko'pincha nihoyat yoshirin va nozik shaklda ilib berildi. Bu nihoyat keng doiralik bir masala. Chunki siz ko'pincha vaqtda bu taktikalar qachon sizga yoki oila a'zolaringizga ta'sir qilganligini bilmaysiz. Ba'zida bu ishlar tasodifiy yuz berayotgandek ko'rindi. Masalan, nima uchun ba'zi kishilarga yuz berildi, ammo ba'zi kishilarga yana ba'zilarga yuz berilmaydi. Nima uchun ba'zi kishilar tuyuqsizla davlat ichidagi oila a'zolari bilan aloqa qilmay qoldi? Yana nima uchun ba'zi kishilar bevosita parakkandichilik uchraydi? Xitoyning parakkandichilik uchraydi. Bularning javobini ko'pincha tushuntirib berolmaysiz. Yaqinqi yillarda bulutlu raqamlik, ya'ni digital space sohasida yangi taktikalar nihoyat ko'paydi. Bu ishlarni ilib berish texnik osonlashdi. Bu xil raqamlik parakkandichilik va nazorat qilish usullari nihoyat murakkablashib ketdi. Shunga ularni isbotlash nihoyat qiyin. Dal mush sababdan bu yangi raqamlik taktikalar kishilarni nihoyat umidsizlantirdi. Meni eng bayram qilgan ishlardan biri shuki, nurg'un kishilar o'zlarini davlat alqagan bostirish siyosatining ta'siriga uchraganligini his qildi. Ular qo'rqdi. Ular o'zini nazorat ostida qilganda his qildi. Chunki bugungi kunda biz ishlatayotgan nurg'un texnikalar va uskunlar Xitoydan yasaldi. Shunga kishilarning ko'pincha mundaq bir andish bor. Agar Xitoy hukumati xohlasa, ular bizning uchlarimizga, aloqalarimizga va shaxsiy sonliq ma'lumotlarimizga erisha oladi. Bu xil anisha nurg'un kishilarni qo'rqitib, o'zini bexatar emasda kech qoldirdi.
And then after he's back to Vietnam, his family also, okay, we are willing to go back to Vietnam. But I don't know if you can read it into willing or not. So most recent also, my prime minister meet with the president of Vietnam, and they have this interaction on the television, saying that from now on we are not letting any activists using our land to engage any activity against another government. So not only they not in principle, it is very clear that this is going to happen to any it's come to Thailand. It's not going to be safe anymore. So I have another case that going on. I also know when
Rahmat, biz nurg'un vaqtda kishilarning
you are being on specific
qo'rqib qilganligini ko'ryapmiz. Ilgari faqat o'quvchilar va yoki faoliyatchilar nishon qilinadi, ammo hozir doira texnik kengaydi. Basma Mustafa xonim, sizning tajribangiz bu masalani nihoyat aniq ko'rsatdi. Maryamning ahvoliga qarasak, u Omanda tutib turildi. Hatto tug'utdan bir necha kun keyin Misrga qaytirish xavfiga duch keldi. Bu dil haqida ozroq tushunib bera olamsiz? So'zni sizga qani so'zga marhamat. Basma Mustafa xonim so'zlab bunday deydi. Rahmat Maryam, tanishtirib berganingizga rahmat. Va Tenzonga rahmat. U yaqin yillardagi o'zgarishlar haqida nihoyat muhim fikrlarni o'tirib qo'ydi. Sözümden başlaştığım burun, ben Uyghur xalqı bilen ve Xitay içindeki sürgünde bolsun, hazırmı bastırışqa tuş kılıvatkan barlıq kişiler bilen ittifaqlığını, hamkarlığını, ulağı boğaz biztaşlığını bildirmekçiyim. Maryamның dilosuğa ötüştüğüm burun, Mısır'daki texmo keng arxı görünüşünü düşendirip, muhim dep, Mısır'daki texmo keng arxı görünüşünü düşendirişini muhim dep qarayman. Çünkü Maryamға yüz bergen iş yalğız bir vaqe emas. Bu xil bostırishning qandaq muhim mumkin bo'lib qolganligini, hatto shirtimliq bir shaklga aylanganligini ko'rsatdi.
And last week before I come here, I have
Yaqin
a
yillarda
call from the
Misrlik
policeman
faoliyatchilarning
and said
faoliyat
they want
doirasida
me to teach
doirasi
in
nihoyat
China.
cheklanib
I was
qoldi.
invited,
Ularning
and then
ko'pincha
I
faqat tor
asked,
orqaliqla
how
faoliyat
did
ilib
you
bora
get my
oladigan bo'ldi.
name
Masalan,
and what
siyosiy o'zgarish talab
university
qilgan
to
va prezident
you want me to
Abdul
teach and when.
hatto
They did not give any detail,
Assisi
but they
hokimiyatining
said they want me
oxirlashishini
specifically
talab
to
qiladigan
teach human
raqamlik
rights in China.
bilet tashlash
I
harakatlariga
was like,
qatnashdi.
okay,
Bu
that's
harakat nihoyat
interesting.
tez kengayib,
And
2
but
million yaqin kishining qo'llashiga
I
erishdi.
know
Buningga javoban
Uyghur
Misr
is very
bexatarlik organlari
sensitive,
oldi bilan bu
but
raqamlik
I
bilet tashlash
feel
xususga
we do not
kirishni
ask for a
chekladi.
better
Ondan
or above
bu
a
faoliyatga
standard.
chidishli
We
kishilarni
just ask
nishon
for the
qilishga
equal
boshladi. Ularning
treatment.
shaxsiy sonliq
And
ma'lumotlari
but
oshkorlandi,
because
tor
you have
hujumlarga
been putting
uchurdi
on the
va
spot
nurg'un
for
faoliyatchilar bosimga
if
duch
I
keldi.
wanna them to
2025
sign
yılı
any
4. ayının
document or
15. günü
anything, there
Maryam
is a
8
committee who
aylık
going
hamlar
to
vaqtida
consider what
ikkinchi
document
kichik
I
balisi bilan
asked them to
o'rmondan
sign.
Oman dövletidan
And
ayrılışqa urindi.
I don't have that
Uning
with
ballarından
another
biri
type
4
or
yaşta,
another
yana biri 2 yaşta
nationality
idi.
as
O
well.
vaqtda Maryam
I
eg'ir
feel
hamlar idi.
because of my government is care more about business and less about human rights, and most of the practices that going happen right now is leaning toward um, cooperation in unofficial way as well, because it is signaling that way, making the officer on the ground working on that we are working on, they have no other way to act because they have no thing to back them up. If we said you cannot just allow of
Bu
other
vaqa xalqaro
officials
jamiyatda
to
zo'r andish qo'zg'adi.
topple
Nurg'un
in
kishilar bu
Thailand. That
ahvolga
is
diqqat
against
qilishga
all
boshladi.
kind of
Maryam
law.
oxirida
But
oilasidan ayrildi. Bu nihoyat eg'ir va azobli bir
and
jarayon bo'ldi.
so
U
I
10 kundan keyin
I mean
qo'yib berilgan
that
bo'lsa-mu,
is what
uning
really
vaziyati
happening, the
yanada
use of
intayin ojiz
immigration law
va
under the
xatarlik.
security
Uning ahvoli yanada
national
intayin
security
ojiz va xatarlik
is
holatda qoldi.
being on the
Bugungi
rise.
kunda
And
u yanada
everything
nihoyat
else
qiyin sharoit
continue to
yashayotidi.
be the same.
Uning qonuniy
Extradition,
va bexatarlik
deportation,
ahvoli texnik to'liq kafolatga ega
revoke
emas.
of visa,
U va oilasi
and
yanada eg'ir bosim ostida
allowed
turmoqda.
um,
Bunday ahvollar
what
bizga
you call
muhim bir haqiqatni
the
ko'rsatdi.
use of law.
Davlat
And
orqaga
not only
bostirish
that,
faqatla
they
bir kishini nishon
also
qilmaydi.
the
U
use
butun
of
bir
the state
oilani,
law have been
ba'zida
raised
butun bir
because
jamiyatni nishon qildi.
the
Kishilarni
other
yolg'izlantirish,
government,
yolg'iz
Thai
qo'yish,
government not
qo'rqitish
protecting
va
their own
ovozni
people or the
o'chirish uchun
activists in the
ishlatildi.
land. So now they have another government come to Thailand and file a case against the activist or reporter in Thailand as well. So that is materialized before my eye. Direct experience. Thank you.
Thank you very much. I think we have quite a broad picture now of how TNR can materialize in different contexts. And you already mentioned the exactly the international law and also international institutions that should be protecting against TNR. And I would hand over to Dean here to pose some questions on a rather broader picture.
Yeah, so thank you for really giving us a perspective. You know, we see that this extension, again, the illustration, it's not just China, it's Vietnam, it's other nations that are repressing individuals that speak out openly, challenging the government. I think one of the things, you know, today we call this session the diaspora under pressure, the threat of transnational repression. Well, the reality is that it's not the threat, it is the reality now. And I think this is recognized now in the world. And that's why this discussion here at this particular forum is taking a different course. And that is planning the actions, the coordinated efforts that are going to happen globally from a legal and a legislative perspective, but also engaging civil society in them pushing our own governments to move forward to protect the human rights around the world. So in this next section, we're going to talk about the legal gaps, enforcement, and institutional blind spots. And so we're going to move this discussion to Barbara now, who has a great deal of experience working within this realm at the UN Committee on Enforced Disappearance. You're in your second term. And we'd like you to talk to some of those gaps that you're seeing at the UN and also in other jurisdictions.
Thank you. And thank you for inviting me again, I have to say. The last time I was at your session in Munich and speaking about the Convention Against Enforced Disappearance, which is a treaty, which we were very happy that Thailand ratified 3 or 4 years ago, because there are not many ratifications in Asia. And at that time, I explained what this convention could do. And one thing was clearly explained now by the colleague from Thailand, that nobody should be sent back, who lives abroad, sent back in a country where he may face the threat of enforced disappearance. And what can we do? So there's no legal gap, I would say, on this side. But then just following what you said, Natasin, we know about, in our committee, about the Uyghurs being imprisoned in Thailand, and because they have ratified, now we could ask publicly the Thai government, please don't send them back. So, let's say also, and I see Dr. Schwarz, Katharina here sitting, who just very eloquently spoke in the last panel before the coffee break, that it's not so easy within the United Nations to go forward and strengthen the legal requirements and improve human rights, because the trend is more that governments, who are the main actors in the UN, are showing more disinterest in being principled and how are laws implemented or conventions. But we also see legal gaps, that certain phenomena like transnational repressions are not being worked on, or okay. So now, where are the legal gaps? I mean, in the term of transnational repression, I would say, no, maybe just before I explain that our committee is a committee whose main work is that we discuss with the government who had ratified and implemented this convention to prevent enforced disappearance and to install institutions and laws on the national level to work against enforced disappearance. We ask them to report back what they do, and then we recommend what they can do better. In addition, we have a mechanism where when we learn about individual cases of disappearance, we call it urgent action mechanism, we can go back to, I continue with Thailand. For example, now, as you ratified, we get information from a civil society organization. People of Chinese nationality are being threatened to be sent back. We can ask them, please don't do, because there might be the threat. So this is what we do. It is the communication is with the government. Now, China has not ratified this convention. So we cannot directly interact with China on this issue. We also can work on thematic issues, like we worked on how governments have to read the convention, that, for example, enforced disappearance against migrants or people on the move can be interpreted, that they shouldn't do this. And now our committee, which is a relatively small committee with 10 members, and the convention, this treaty is very young. This year it's 20 years only, yeah? So we discuss how can we develop further strengthening the convention, that, for example, in the context of transnational repression, there shouldn't be any more enforced disappearance. So we look from a very specific lens to it. Now, then, of course, we look what's going on in the UN. And I have to say, and I'm one of the rapporteurs on this statement, we see that a lot of special rapporteurs or other committees are working on transnational repression. So our voice and our findings and our recommendations will fit together what the whole UN human rights system is doing on that. And in this context, I found that, for example, a representative of the Chinese government in Geneva attended a public debate on transnational repression, and his concern was basically that he thinks he didn't question that this phenomenon exists, but he says as there is not an officially accepted definition of what transnational repression is, the subject is not that relevant. So by reading this, I read that we have to clearly follow that there is a definition or something which comes close to a definition which we should build our work on. And I can assure, I assume, let's say. Okay. So now, may I? Yeah, please. Okay. So, and then when, now, as we have only roughly 75 ratifications with governments, we work very closely together with a working group on enforced and involuntary disappearances, because they can work on all countries they wish. And so also our statement, we are working together. And then we ask the UN to help us to reach out to civil society, to academia, to governments, to give us feedback on what do they think on transnational repression in the context of enforced disappearance. And the feedback was huge. So this phenomenon exists, but not always actually. A transnational repression relates and is followed by enforced disappearance. So we have to be very clear on this. Being very clear and very specific and focused, now I would say I just take out one issue, what we will come up with the recommendations. We hope to finish this statement perhaps this September or next March. Now we see, for example, that Interpol, who what mentions in Basma's statement, an international organization, which is not a judiciary body, but a kind of a law enforcement agency, yeah? That they have a human rights challenge in Interpol operations that only member states can use it. So if you are on a red notice list that your government wants you to be arrested when you cross a border, they go to Interpol and argue, for example, you are a terrorist or whatever, and then, but you don't know if you are on this list. And you
Меніңше
cannot
hazır
interact
biz
with
dövlət
this, yeah.
alqagan
And
bastırışının
your
oxşamagan
government, but also your government doesn't give you as a citizen
muhit ve şart
relevant
şaraitlarda qandaq
information.
namayan
So
bolduğanlıq
this
haqida bir qadar
itself will not
keng ve to'liq
change.
ko'rinishga ega bo'ldik. Siz
Um,
xalqaro qonun
But
masalasini tilga
we
oldingiz.
see that in several cases,
Endi so'zni deyinaq birme, u bu haqda
Interpol's
davomli
red
savol
notice
so'raydi.
has been misused for
Diyan, rahmat.
transnational
Bu
repression.
ko'rsatmalarni biz bilan o'rtoqlashganingiz uchun ko'p rahmat. Bu yana bir qatim bizga shuni ko'rsatdiki, bu masala faqat Xitoy bilan cheklanib qolmaydi. Vietnamga o'xshash boshqa davlatlarmi bor. O'z hukumatini oshkor tanqid qiladigan yoki qarshi fikr bildiradigan kishilarni bostirayotgan boshqa davlatlarmi bor. Bugungi muhokamaning temasi muhojiratdagi jamiyatlarning besim ostida, muhojiratdagi jamiyatlar besim ostida deb atalgan. Ammo amaliyotda bu endi faqat bir tahdid emas. Bu bugungi kunda bir reallik. Menimcha dunyo buni hozir tunishga boshladi. Bu munbar bugungi muzokaralarning boshqa bir yo'nalishga burilishining sababi shu. Endi biz faqat masalani tasvirlash bilan cheklab qolmaymiz. Balki qanday harakat qilish kerakligini, qonuniy va qonun chiqarish saviyasida qanday moslashgan xalqaro qadamlarni ilish kerakligini, shundaqla qurollar jamiyatini bu jarayonga qanday qatnashtirish kerakligini muzokara qilamiz va o'z hukumatimizga kishilik huquqni qo'llash uchun texmo kuchli harakat qilish besimni qanday ishlash kerakligini muzokara qilamiz. Qonuniy boshliqlar ijro qilinishdagi qiyinchiliklar va organlarning ko'mak qilayotgan nuqtalar haqida so'zlaymiz. Shunga ben sözünü barabarak bırak. O BDT'nin mecburi yok tutuluş, o BDT'nin mecburi yok tutuluşla komisyonda yo'qolib ketilganlar komisyonda xizmat qilgan va bu vaqtda mo'l tajribaga ega. Barbara xonim deydi, rahmat, meni yana bir qatim taklif qilganlarga. Eslab baxsam oldingi 3 qatim Myunxendagi bir yig'in qatnashgandim. U yerda mecburi yo'q tutilgan kishilarga qarshi turish to'g'risidagi bu kishilar haqidagi kishilarning huquq to'g'risidagi to'g'risida xalqaro kelishim haqida so'zlagan edim. Biz Taylandning bu kelishimni 3 yoki 4 yil ilgari tasdiqlaganligidan nihoyat xursandlik bilan tasdiqlaganligidan nihoyat xush bo'lgan edik. Chunki Osiyoda bu kelishimni tasdiqlagan davlatlar nihoyat oz edi. O vaqtda men bu kelishimning biz uchun qanday foydasi borligini tushuntirgan edim. Eng muhim nuqtalardan biri shuki, chet elda yashayotgan hech qanday kishi agar u qaytarilgan davlatda majbur yo'qotilish xavfiga duch kelsa, u davlatga qaytarilmasligi kerak.
Great, thank you
Undaqda
for
biz
that.
qo'limizdan nima keldi? Bu jihatda men cho'ng qonuniy bo'shliq bor deb qaramayman. Ammo siz tilg'ilgan masalaga qarasak, masala Taylanddagi Uyg'ur masalasida Tayland bu kelishimni tasdiqlaganlik uchun biz oshkor holda Tayland hukumatiga ularni qaytarmanglar deb murojaat qilaymiz. Ammo shuni aytishim kerak. Birlashgan Millatlar Tashkiloti doirasida bu ishlarni olg'a surish har vaqt oson emas. Kishilik huquq o'lchamlarini kuchaytirish yoki davlatlarning majburiyatlarini texnik kuchli qilish nihoyat qiyin. Chunki PDTdagi asosli qaror chiqaruvchilar davlatlarning o'zi va biz ba'zi davlatlarning prinsipiga sodiq bo'lishdan ko'ra o'z siyosiy manfaatlarini oldin o'rin qo'yayotganligini ko'ryapmiz. Shundan bilan bir vaqtda ba'zi qonun boshliqlarini barliqini ko'ryapmiz. Masalan, davlat olqigan boshqarishga o'xshash yangi hadislar qonun sistemasida texnik darajada qoplanmagan. Bizning komitetimizning asosiy vazifasi bu kelishimni tasdiqlagan davlatlar bilan suhbat qilib berish, ularning kelishimni qanday ijro qilganligini tekshirish va majburiy yo'qotishni oldin oldigan qonun va organlarning qurishga yordam berish. Biz davlatlardan doklad so'raymiz. Ular nim qilganligini bizga tushuntirdi. Ondan biz nimani texmo yaxshi qilish kerakligini haqida tavsiya beramiz. Undan boshqa bizning jiddiy harakat mexanizm deb atalgan bir sistemamiz bor. Agar biz majburiy yo'qotish xavfidagi shaxslar haqida uchuv topshirib olsak, munosabatli hukumatga bevosita murojaat qila olamiz. Masalan, Taylandga bu kishilarni qaytarmanglar deb rasmiy talab qila olamiz. Ammo Xitoy bu kelishimni tasdiqlamagan, shunga biz masala bo'yicha Xitoy bilan bevosita xizmat qila olmaymiz. Hozir biz yana ba'zi masalalar ustida ishlayapmiz. Masalan, ko'chmanlar yoki yo'l ustidagi kishilarga qarata majburiy yo'qotishning qanday tushuntirish kerakligi haqida. Bizning komitetimiz nihoyat kichik, faqat 10 a'zodan tarkib topgan bu kelishimning o'zi texmo bu kelishimning o'zi texmo tajribasi to'liq tajribaga ega bo'lmagan bir organ. Bu yil uning qabul qilib shunga biz bu vaqtda masalan kelishimning qanday texnik kuchli qilish haqida o'ylayapmiz. Masalan, davlat alqigan bostirish doirasida majburiy yo'qolgan kishilarning yo'qolmaslikni qanday kafolatlantirish kerakligini muzokara qilyapmiz. BDTning sistemasiga kelsak, nurg'un alohida dokladchilar va boshqa komitetlarning davlat alqigan bostirish masalasi ustida ishtirokchiligini ko'ryapmiz. Shunga bizning bayqaganlarimiz va tavsiyalarimiz BDTning boshqa kishilik huquq mexanizmlarining qismati bilan bir-birini to'liqlaydi. Bu jihatda men bir qiziqarli ishni ko'rdim. Janvada o'tkazilgan davlat alqigan bostirish to'g'risidagi oshkora munozaraga Xitoy hukumatining bir vakili qatnashgan. Uning asosiy fikri bunday edi. U davlat alqigan bostirishning mavjudligini inkor qilmadi, ammo u davlat alqigan bostirishning xalqaro jihatdagi rasmiy qabul qilingan tartibi yo'q. Shunga bu masala uncha muhim emas deb qaradi. Bu bizning oldimizdagi yana bir xirishni ko'rsatdi. Biz faqat bu hodisani fosh qilib qolmay, uni xalqaro qonun va xalqaro siyosat doirasi ichida texnik aniq tunutish va bekitish uchun tirishishimiz kerak.
And they again said we think they are universal human rights and we have to how can I say understand human rights as universal and also as something which is key to good governance at home. And we have to be realistic. And then you see from this time on in 1990, end of the 90s, there was a reform in the UN that the human rights protection is the third pillar of the UN. But when you look into how now the funds, even the very limited funds are there, the UN Office of the High Commissioner for Human Rights is less than 5% of the whole budget, leaving alone the importance of it. So yes, you should not only
Şoňa
have,
bundaq
trust, but you,
bu
should
hüjjatlarni we
fight
muzay
actually
münazaralarni okup çykkandan
for
keyin
that,
men şundaq
the
bir hulasaga
structures
keldimki,
of the UN
biz bu
can
meselede
serve
nihaýat
the
iniq bir
purpose of
ýöneliş
the-
boýunça
not
meňişimiz
only
gerek.
the government of the
Ýani döwlet alkagan
And
bastyryş
there, and I again said-
üçün
says,
bastyryş
Frau Schwarz,
siýasat
again
üçin
from
bebaşda
this
ýa
one,
onunğa nihaýat ýakyn
the UN
kildigan bir
faces a
tarap
severe
tarap,
political and financial
tertip
crisis.
mevcut.
But,
Biz kelgüçideki
we would
hizmetimizden däl
have
muşu
to
asasda
stop the UN.
kuruşumuz gerek.
Where would we go
Hazır
to
bizning bu
develop?
kilişimni tasdiklagan
No region,
döwletlerimiz
and
tahminen
also,
75
say, in
etrapyda.
the
Şoňa
three Americas
biz
currently,
mecburi we
there
ýaki
is the
ihtiyarsız
Inter-American
ýoktu-
Court for Human Rights, but
ihtiyarsız
what
mecburi
would
ýaki
replace it?
halagança
So,
ýok
don't give up,
ýok tutuluşlar
but
boýunça
demand, more,
hyzmet görüpsi
substantial human rights
bilen
work from
naýat
before
ýakyn
us.
hemkarlaşyp işläwetimiz. Çünki ular
Thank you for that.
bizge garaganda tehmi kän
difficult
hukukka ega,
question.
ular
I
halagan
think
her kандай
you
döwlet
not to answer, I think you
hakkında
addressed it
işleýärdi,
very,
hizmet
very
kılaýdy.
adequately, and I think that we should
Şoňa
have
biz
faith in the
taýýarlaýatgan
institutions, but
bayanatlar
ultimately it comes down to being able
bayanatlaryny
to reform
birlikde
those institutions and putting pressure on those
özüniň
institutions
güçüni
to serve
körsätmekde.
the current
Biz
needs, not the
BDT-ning
past needs of
ýardymyda
nations, but the
puhralar
current needs
jemgyýetige,
today. So I think
akademik
we're gonna
sahaga
move
we
into,
hökümetlerge ýetip beriş
third section
hökümetler
here, before we get into the Q&A, which,
bilen
Miriam's
alakaly
gonna
çykartyrış
lead on,
wagtymız.
which is finding solutions.
Biz ulardan
So,
mundaq suallarga
Miriam, over to you.
jogap soraýmys.
Yeah, thank
Mecburi
you, Dean.
ýoktuş
Um,
noktasyna garaganda
so
döwlet alkagan
I
bastyryş
think we
ýakynda
have
kandaq
heard
garaşda.
where the system is not responding yet,
Biz kabul
but also
kılgan
where
inkaslar
there might be
naýat
hope.
köp boldy.
And,
Bu
I just
bizge
wanted
bir
to
muhim
use the
hakykatni
time that we have
körsätdi.
left
Bu
to
hadise
focus on
hakykatdan mevcut.
solutions and
Amma
what
şununga
actually
şunu
needs to
enek
change.
düşünüşimiz gerek ki
I think
her bir döwlet
Barbara started with this already a
alkagan
little bit,
bastyryş
so
ahwaly mecburi
I
ýok
would,
tutuşy bilen
like
ahyrlaşmaýdy.
to ask all of
Ýaki
you
her
the same
daim mecburi ýok
question,
tutuşyny öz
and,
içige almaýdy. Şoňa
if you
biz
come up with,
bu meselelerni bir-birinden
yeah,
aýryp
if you
naýat
have a
enek,
concrete answer, I would be
konkret we
super
nişanly
happy.
halda müzakere kılışymız gerek.
So
Hazır men
what
biz
is
ýakynda
one
oturup goýmakçy bolgan bir
institutional change
muhim
you
täwsiýeni misal
would love to
etmekçimin.
see realized
Biz bu
tomorrow?
bayanatnamyny bayanat
What
ne
needs to
bu ýyl
change to
sentäbirde
actually
geçe ýa-ki keçip
address
kalsa
TNR?
kiler ýyly markatça
From your
tamamlaşyny ümit
perspective,
kılıp
I'll
atymyz.
just hand over the
Hazır biz
microphone.
görüp meselelerinden biri Interpol, ýani halkara sakçy mahkemesi bilen münasibetlik. Halkara sakçy mahkemesi bir halkaralyk teşkilat. Amma o sot organ emas. O asasen halkaralyk kanun icra kılıç ve sakçy hemkarlyky mexanizmini bilen şugullangan bir organ. Bizden karşımızca halkara teşkilat hyzmetinde kişilik hukuk münasibetlik bazı eğri hırslar mevcut. Çünkü halkara sakçy mahkemesi fakat azad döwletler fakat çünkü Interpol halkara sakçy sistemisi fakat azad döwletler la işletilýärdi. Mesela eger bir hökümet sizni tutkun kılmakçı bolsa, tutkun kıldırmak tutmakçı bolsa, o sizin ismiňizde Kızıl agahlandırış tizimliki, yani red note, kızıl tizimlikке kirgiziş üçün iltmas kılışı mümkün. Ular sizni terörçi yoki başka cinayetler bilen aýyplaşy mümkün. Amma mesele şu ki siz özüňiz köpünç wagtda bu tizimlikke kirgizilgenligiňizni bilemeýsiz. Siz bir çygadan ötmekçi bolganda yoki aýdyrymga kelgende tuýuksuz kul gelinişiňiz mümkin. Biz bir kança diloda dal muşnaq ahwallarny gördük. Bu döwlet alkagan bastyryş gollanýan muhim bir guralnyň biriga aýlanyp kaldy. Şoňa bu meselege tehmi köp dikkat kılışymız gerek.
In Germany, as a coalition, we published a policy paper in April 2025, and this policy paper includes 4 set of recommendations to the German government, and actually our recommendation it's also aligned by the paper was published by the High Commissioner Office in June 2025, and we think all of this recommendation there could apply for all Europe states.
Yeah, thank you, Basma. I also just agree to everything what you said. And one of our
Bu yerde
coalition
yana bir
demand
muhim
is that we
nuqtani
need to have a
etmekçimen.
central
Menimçe bu
contact
meseleni
point which
tushunishda
is
nihoyatda muhim bo'lgan
actually
bir ish bor.
available for
İnsani
everyone
hukukni
who is targeted
Biz
by
universal
transnational
qilmas deb tushunishimiz
repression.
kerak. Bu
And
faqat
to
bir
make it
siyosiy
more
shuar
simple, I
emas.
think to get to this point, the
Sh-
most
bel-
important thing, what needs to change
Belki yaxshi
institutional
hukumat
wise, but also within
boshqarishning
our
asosiy
communities,
shartlaridan biridir.
is to bring
Bundaq bir
the
shunday bir
tactics
vaqtda
and the
biz reallikni
cases of
ko'zdan
transnational
qochirmasligimiz kerak.
repression out of the dark
1990 yillarning oxirida
into the broader
BDT ga
community, into the public awareness,
bir
because this
qatimliq
is
muhim
how we
islohot
can
ilib
actually
berilgan.
stop it.
O
The
vaqtda
CCP
kishilik
is
qo'g'dash
and all other
BDTning tunji asosliq
authoritarian
turki
countries,
deb
they are
bekitilgan.
great
Ammo
in
bugungi
hiding their
amaliy ahvolga
tactics,
qaragan bo'lsa,
operating
bu
in the
sohaga
dark, trying to
bu sohaga bir
silence,
loqa mablag' bilan uning rasmiy
self-censor
o'rni o'tirishida
every
zo'r farq bor.
individual. And this
Masalan,
can only be stopped
BDTda
if
kishilik
we,
huquq oliy
as you
komissarligi
just
ishxonasi
said, hold them
va
accountable,
ayrilgan
find
xamchot
the
butun
right
BDT
mechanism,
xamchotining 5%dan
and
oz.
make the
Bu
world
raqam bizga
aware
nihoyatda ko'p
and
narsani
also
ko'rsatadi.
strengthen
Chunki kishilik
our
huquqning asosiy
commitment
turlaridan biri
together.
deb qaralsa-mu, uning bir loqa
Because
amaliy qo'llash
especially the
mablag' uni e'lon
CCP,
qilingan
they might have not
mo'yinliq
started with
u
TNR,
e'lon
but they are
qilingan
an expert in
mo'yinliqqa
TNR, and the
ya'ni
harm what they
inson
already
huquqlari
did to
mo'yin deb
our
qaragan bu
communities is
bayonga
insane.
bos kelmaydi.
And we
Shunga
are facing this every
kishilik huquqni
day,
qo'g'dash
and
haqiqiy kishilik huquqni
diaspora
qo'g'dashni
and
haqiqiy
exile
kuchaytirish uchun
communities
faqat
are
so'zda
the
emas,
most
balki texnik ko'p
vulnerable
siyosiy iroda va
communities and
texnik
the
ko'p
most vulnerable group when it
mablag'
comes to
manbalari,
transnational
iqtisod
repression. And this is
manbalari va
something what we
texnik
should
ko'p
always
kuchli
keep in
qurollar,
focus and try
organlarga
not to lose
ehtiyojimiz bor.
in our way when we want to tackle transnational repression. And that's why we need all the voices, we need all the experience, and we need to work together.
Yeah. So I looked up our recommendations we are working on to states. And I think we think for short solutions or to develop solutions, we ask states to prevent the misuse
Şuna
of counter-terrorism
men ishlaymanki biz cho'qim organlar bilan texnik kuchli hamkorlashishimiz kerak.
the misuse of immigration
Ularning bu
systems,
masalalarni texnik yaxshi
international legal
tushunishiga yordam
cooperation
berishimiz kerak.
mechanisms for politically motivated purposes.
Shuning bilan bir vaqtda bu xil bostirishni yo'lga qo'yayotgan taraflarga qarata bosimni kuchaytirishimiz lozim. Oldingi so'zlarda oldingi fikrlar, oldingi deyilgan gaplar tilg'anlagandek, bu masalalarning hammasi faqat Interpol bilanla, ya'ni xalqaro soqchi birlik soqchi organi bilanla munosabatlik emas. Buningga raqamlik nazorat, tor boshliqi bostirishi va boshqa nurg'un davlat aloqagan bosim shakllari kirdi. Germaniyada biz 2025-yilning aprelda bir siyosiy doklad e'lon qildik. Bu dokladda Germaniya hukumatiga qaratilgan 4 turlik asosiy tavsiya o'tirib qo'yilgan. Amaliyotda bizning bu tavsiyalarimiz 2025-yil iyun oyida BDT'ninki kishilik huquq oliy komissarlik ishxonasi e'lon qilgan doklad va tavsiyalar bilan zo'r darajada mos keldi. Bu bizga shuni ko'rsatadiki, davlat halqagan bostirish masalasida fuqarolar jamiyati, kishilik huquq tashkilotlari va xalqaro organlar orasida barg'ansili texnik keng va o'rtaq tushuncha shakllanadi. Bizning maqsadimiz faqat masalani fosh qilish emas, balki hukumatlarning bu xabarga qarshi turish uchun amaliy siyosatlarni yo'lga qo'yishga turtki bo'lish va davlat halqagan bostirishning ziyonkashlikka uchrayotgan kishilarni texnik yaxshi qo'llashdan iborat.
In central role in facilitating not always enforced disappearance but transnational repression, because it enables the state to locate and coordinate action against dissidents in exile. So it is very critical that states regulate surveillance technologies and prevent their use in violation of international human rights law. And such, I don't know if we come to an agreement that we have this as a recommendation, but to think about including a moratorium on the export of surveillance spyware tools.
From my opinion, because my government care more about economy, so in to make human rights on the same agenda when they
Menimcha
discussing
bu
economy,
tavsiyalarning hammasi
when
faqat
discuss
Germaniya
trade
uchun emas,
agreement,
balki
when I ask
Yevropadagi
them
barliq
about this
davlatlarga mos
issue,
keldi.
they are discussing
Shaxsan
trade
menmu
agreement with
siz
EU,
aytgan nuqtalarning
because
hammasiga
they
qo'shilaman.
wanna be
Meningcha
part of
hozircha
OECD
ko'rilayotgan
by
eng chong
2028.
yetarliliklardan biri
All of
shuki,
those agreement have
davlat
that
alqagan
human
bostirishning
rights
nishoniga
section
o'ylangan
that
kishilar
they
uchun
have to
markazlashgan.
respond to. At least
Asosan oson ilib
men
barg'ili bo'lgan
committed
qo'llash
on
va yordam
paper.
mexanizmlari
The
yetarli
reason
emas.
they are
Agar
doing
biz
what they
eng
are
muhim
doing right now,
o'zgarishni
because
o'zgarish
after
qaysi
they
bo'lishi kerak deb so'rasak,
reform,
menimcha javob
my
aniq bo'ldi.
client back to
Jamoatni
Vietnam,
ontunishni
what
oshirish.
happened to them? The business continue.
Chunki
They're
biz bu
having a
masalani
meeting in
to'xtatmoqchi
Hanoi,
bo'lsak,
you know,
oldi bilan
there's
kishilarning
no
buning
discussion
mavjudligini
about it
kishilarning
because
bu
it's
ishning
not-
mavjud, ya'ni
not
bor ekanligini
really losing
yetib
anything.
tushunib yetishi kerak.
We cannot
Ular
continue
buning nima
letting that
ekanligini
happen. So
bilishi kerak.
we call it as it
Davlat
is,
alqagan
Thailand
bostirishni
reform,
faqat shundoq
you know,
qilganda
violate,
to'xtatqili bo'ldi.
you know,
Buning uchun biz dunyoga
complicit
haqiqatni ko'rsatishimiz
into
kerak.
this and
Biz buni
it
kundalik
had to
xizmatimizda
stop
har
them.
kuni his qilishimiz, biz davlat alqagan bostirishga qarshi turmoqchi bo'lganda bu xil buzilg'ular bilan doim uchrashishimiz, doim uchrashishimiz, shunga bizga barliq ovozlar kerak, qo'llash kerak, bizga hammalarning tajribasi kerak, biz birlikda ishlashimiz kerak. Biz hozir davlatlarga qarata bir qator tavsiyalar ustida ishlayapmiz. Menimcha eng qisqa muddatlik hal qilish choralarini izlayotgan bo'lsak, yoki texmi uzun muddatlik choralarni qurmoqchi bo'lsak, undaqda biz davlatlardan terrorchilikqa qarshi turish qonunlari va bexatarlik mexanizmining suiiste'mol qilinishining oldini olish qonunlarini talab qilishimiz kerak. Qonunlarning ro'yobga chiqishini talab qilishimiz kerak. Chunki biz ko'rayotgan nurg'un ahvollarda davlat alqagan bostirish dal mushu qonuniy va bexatarlik qurollarining suiiste'mol qilinishi orqali qo'yilmoqda. Shunga biz eng muhim vazifamiz kishilarning ong tunishini oshirish, hukumatlarga besim ishiltish va bu masalaga duch kelayotgan jamiyatlarning hamkorlik va
My question is,
hamkorligini kuchaytirishimiz
we've
kerak.
seen working with the Uyghur diaspora in Europe and the EU member states that a severe case of TNR and a frequent practice of TNR is that individuals here in Europe, they might be allegedly physically safe, but their parents and relatives in East Turkestan or Tibet or in the rest of China are not. And so they are intimidated through threats of violence towards their relatives. My question would be, what could the European governments and the EU do in response to these threats?
Bu hamisha majburiy g'oyib qilib o'tish shaklda
I mean, in general, I would say this is a
bo'lmasligi mumkin.
super
Ammo u
difficult
davlat alqagan
situation
bostirishning
we are
bir qismi bo'lishi
facing,
mumkin.
and
Chunki bu xil
this
nazorat
is what
va
I
kuzatish qurollari
was referring to at the
hukumatlarga
beginning. China
murojaatga
is acting
o'qitishlarni,
in all the
palashlarni va
countries
tanqidlarni
across
tepish, ularni
their
kuzatish va
border,
ularga
but
qarshi
the host
harakatlarni
countries
maqtash
can
imkoniyatini
act
berdi.
in
Shunga
within their
davlatlarning
borders.
nazorat
So it makes
texniklarini
it really
qattiq tartib
difficult
qilish intayin
to
muhim.
actually
bu
protect the
texnikalarni
people who are
xalqaro
left back
kishilik huquq
in
qonuniga
Tibet, in
xilaf
Uzbekistan, in
holda
China.
ishlatilishining oldini olish kerak.
And
Biz bu nuqtani
for
tavsiyalarga
that, I think this is also the
ichida-
reason
ichiga
why it is
kirgizish
so
to'g'risida
effectively that a lot of
kelishimga
people
keldikmi yo'q
withdraw
bilmayman.
from
Ammo
political
menimcha
fears,
o'ylanishga
from
arziydigan bir
cultural,
taklif bor. U
religious
bo'lsa-mu nazorat
fears,
yumshoq
because
detalları
they are so afraid
ve
that all of
kuzatish
this could affect their family
qurollarning
members. So
eksportga vaqtliq
what I think
cheklim
needs
qo'yish.
to be done is
Ama şu
actually to give support and to give security
Teklifni
to people
teklif
who
o'ylab
are
chiqarish.
willing
Shaxsan mening qarashimcha
to
bu nihoyatda bir
be
muhim masala.
somehow
Chunki ko'pincha hukumatlar
active.
jumladan mening
and
o'z hukumatimdan
I mean,
hukumatimi
just recently from the
kishilik
Interior
huquqdan
Ministry
ko'ra
in
iqtisod
Germany, there was
manbalariga
a
beklab ahamiyat
guideline
berdi. Şuna
published where there is written in
kelishimga
like what
kishilik
people who are
huquq,
affected by
siyosiy-
TNR can
siyosiy
do,
ve
how they
iqtisod
can protect
qarorlarni
themselves, how they can protect their
markaziga
digital
kelin-
data, where they should
qarorlarning
took,
markaziga
take
ilib kelmoqchi.
awareness to,
Şuna
and
agar biz kishilik
also
huquq
to
nima
which
siyosiy ve iqtisod
context they can
qarorlariniki
turn to if they
yadrosiga
face any
aylantirmoqchi
kind
bo'lsak,
of
undaqda
intimidation
bu
or
masalalarni
transnational
bexatarlik ve
repression.
iqtisodiy
But
masalalardan
what is
ayirib qarash
also
qolmaydi.
mentioned
Kishilik
is,
huquq, iqtisod,
and what we also
bexatarlik
get
ve
a lot
texnika
of response
siyasetlari
if we go to the
bir-biridan ayrılmaslik
different
bir kun
police
tartibga
station, for
ayrilishi kerak.
example,
Shunday qilganda
then they would tell us,
davlat
"Oh,
alqagan
be careful,
bostirishga ve
hold yourself
bostirishga
back.
qarshi haqiqiy
Don't be so
o'limlik
public."
tadbirlarni
And this is
qo'ldan
what
qo'l
I
bo'ldi.
personally would say is exactly the opposite what we want to hear. We don't want to hear that we have to turn ourselves away, and we need to find strategies and ways that everyone who escaped from a country to live in a free country, to make
Yani
use of
riyasat
our
so'raydi, siz diaspora,
freedom
yani
of speech,
muajiratda
movement, demonstration, that
bilan
we can
ko'p xizmat
actually
ilib
do and
kelyapsiz.
live
Biz
this
doim
here.
ko'rayotgan
And this is a
davlat alqagan
huge,
bostirishning bir o'rtaq shakli shuki,
Aufgabe,
Yevropadagi
and
kishilar
huge
o'zlari
task
jismoniy jihatdan
for the
bexatar bo'lishi
governments,
mumkin, ammo
yes.
ularning ota-onalari, tuqqanlari yoki oila a'zolari Sharq Turkiston, Tibet yoki Xitoyning boshqa joylarida yashaydi. Ular
So,
bexatar emas. Shunga
now,
kishilar
looking to the
ga
European
bevosita
Union,
jaynak ko'zishning o'rniga
I just,
ularning oila
bring your
a'zolariga
attention
qartilgan
that the
tahdid va
European
zo'ravonlik
Parliament
orqali
has adopted
qo'rqitish usulini
two
qo'llandi.
reports.
Mening savolim
One
shuki,
on,
bu xil
an-
tahdidlarga
ending the
qarata
start of
Yevropa
transnational
hukumatlari va Yevropa
repression
ittifoqi
and,
qanday
the
inkasni
standing
qaytara oladi,
against human
ular
rights
nim
defenders
qilaydi.
in the Foreign Relations, Committee also
Rahmat
will
savolingizga
continue.
meningki
So building
buning
on this,
qarta
I think we
javobim
can
shuki,
do good lobby work,
o'ylaganim meningcha
for
eng
with
muhim
the EU
ishlarning biri shuki,
institutions, but also
biz
with
bu
your
masalani texmi
national governments.
astoydil qabul qilishimiz
Now,
kerak.
out of
Chunki
my head, I don't know
bu
exactly,
bichimlar
but it could be that the
kishilarning
Council of
kunlik
Europe,
hayotiga
which has
bevosita
a
ta'sir
much
ko'rsatadi.
broader membership,
Yevropa hukumatlarining
needs
qilgan
a little
tegishlik
push
birinchi ishi
to
bu
go
xil
further
nishon
on
qilingan kishilarga
transnational
qo'llash
repression.
berish va bexatarlikni
I
kafolat
think that's very
bexatarlik
I
kafolat
think,
yaratish. Kishilar o'zlarining yolg'iz emasligini
EU members
bilish
EU
kerak.
member
Ular
state
shuni
have,
his qilish kerakki, agar ular yoki ularning oila a'zolariga davlat alqagan bostirish nishoniga aylansa, ularga yordam beradigan organlar va mexanizmlar bor.
countries
Bu faqat qonuniy masala emas, bu bir bexatarlik, kishilik huquq va insoniy qadr-qimmat masalasi. Shunga Yevropa davlatlarining bu xil ahvollarini texmi astoydil tekshirishi, ziyonkashlik uchrag'ishlar texmi ko'p qo'llash, uchrag'ishlarga texmi ko'p qo'llash berish kerak va ularni qo'llash uchun texmi ko'p siyosat, kuchli siyosatlar yo'l qo'yish nihoyat muhim.
practical steps to stop transnational repression back home and on Europe.
Mine is very specific. I have 5 clients and one back home. And one of the explanation Thailand used when they explaining the situation to other country is that they have no other country willing to receive them 5. So it is
Ba'zida bu masala faqat
the status,
texniklik
they did
yoki
not have the resettlement package.
ma'muriy masala
Can
sifatida
you
tushunildi.
engage in
Hatto
the EU
yaqinda
member
ba'zi hukumat organlaridami
and
mushunga
maybe
o'xshash bayonlarni angladik.
they get
Ammo
the humanitarian
shaxsan men shuni
visa.
aytamanki,
And
bu
I
dal
wonder
biz
what
anglashni
Thailand
xohlamaydigan
will
javob.
to
Biz bu kutgan javob
respond to
emas.
that if they have the
Chunki
package
masala
and
faqat
they are
texniklik
ready
yoki ma'mur tartiblar
already
masalasi emas.
wa-
Bu yerda
can
so'z
travel to the
kishilarning
third country.
bexatarligi, ularning
Because,
asosiy
I
huquqlari
wanna really
va ularning
overcome
oila
this
a'zolari
obstacle
taqdiri
that
ustida
we
ketyapti.
are struggling
Shunga
to
biz
handle.
masalaga odatdagi bir byurokratik masalada muomala
What just come
qilishni
into my
emas,
mind,
balki
something very
uning
concrete also,
siyosiy kishilik huquq va
that,
bexatarlik jihatdagi eg'irlikni
collecting
tunishni xohlaydi.
information of everyone who is here and who is active
Biz
here.
anglashni
This is
xohlaydiganimiz
something we have
hukumatlarning bu
to
masalani
somehow-
astoydil qabul
It is
qilganligi,
espionage, it's a
ziyonkashlikka
kind of
uchraguvchilarni
espionage
qo'daydiganligi
when
va davlat
we
alqagan
are active in Germany
bostirishga
and
qarshi
at the
amaliy
end
tadbir qo'llaganlik
our family members back
qo'llaganligidir.
in Tibet are being
qo'llanganligidir.
um,
Yani
holding accountable
davlat
for
alqagan
that.
bostirishga qarshi
So
amaliy tadbir
somehow and somewhere the
uh,
information have to become. So maybe this could be a step where we can continue working on.
Yeah, sure. My name is Thomas Schulze, President-elect of the World Psychiatric Association, representing 147 psychiatric associations in 123 countries. And many
yana biz bu
viewers
masalaga
in the
qarab
room
turib
know me
qolmasligimiz kerak.
as
Biz
we have
o'zimizni
been
nihoyat
working with
ojiz holatda
the
qoldirib
Uyghur
qo'ymasligimiz
community
kerak. Aksiga biz
on
yangi
the
strategiya va
mental health
yangi
tool
yo'llarni
of,
tepishimiz lozim.
we have started and
Shuna
the
qilib
mental
vatandan
health
qaytib
toll
chiqib
of
erkin davlatlarda
transnational
yashab
repression. And I
panohlik
think
topgan
what
har
we
bir kishi
witnessed today in this room
haqiqiy
was
ma'nodagi
this
erkinlik va bexatarlikka
loud silence,
erishadigan
you
bo'lsin.
recorded.
Biz
I
faqat
think it was
o'zimizni
really
qo'llab qolmay,
very moving.
balki
And,
davlat alqagan bostirishni
we
yo'l
all
qo'yganlarga
know why that
qarshi
is,
unumli
because there's so
choralarni
much
qo'llanishning yo'llarini tepishimiz kerak.
trauma
Bizning maqsadimiz
that
vatandagi
is
bostirishnimi,
in
Yevropa
between the
davlatlaridagi
lines.
bostirishni o'xshash
But
bostirishnimi
when I
to'xtatish bo'lishi
started
kerak.
working with
Buning uchun
Uyghur
konkret va
colleagues
amaliy
here,
qadamlar lozim. Men bu
I
jihatda
realized
nihoyat
that
aniq bir fikrda davlat
not many
alqagan
people,
bostırışını
even
to'xtatish
those
uchun
who suffer,
bizga aniq
don't even know that this
strategiya, moslashgan,
So,
hamkorlashgan
this is
harakat
more-
va
first of all, I
amaliy
would like to
choralar
thank you
kerak.
for your work.
Bu faqat
And,
nazariyaviy
as the World
nazariyaviy
Psychiatric Association, we
yani
have
buna
a section
muzokara, ya'ni
that
quruq
is
gap
the
qilmaslik
section
lozim. Biz
psychological
haqiqiy o'zgaruvchi
consequences of,
orttirgan qadamlarni
torture
bosishimiz
and
lozim.
persecution. And with that section, and Thomas Wenzel, the chair, is here with me today. We have the roundtable 3 today. So we are trying to sort of really learn more about the mental health toll of transnational repression. And I think while there are common factors and commonalities, there are definitely specifics, and I would really invite you and maybe to reach out to us, and would like to work with you to hear, so that we maybe can develop strategies to hand out to the communities
Mening
affected. So it's
5
like an offer, and
diplomum
thank you
var.
very much. Thank you very much for your work.
Bularning
So that brings up the question then, and we
Yeah,
don't have a
mening
lot of
5
time here. So
arziyetim, shikoyatim
mental
bor.
health
Bularning
and
biri
the attacks on
vatandagi bir
individual
kishiga
people in this
munosabatlik.
room
Tailand
can
turmush
affect us
hukumati
dramatically,
bu xil
psychological
ahvollarni bosh
toll, and
davlatlarga
also their family
tushuntirganda
members.
doim
So,
bir
if
sabab
we
o'tirib
could get a
qo'ydi.
quick
Ular
answer from the panelists on
bu
maybe
kishilarni
your
qabul
own
qilishga
situation
tayyor
dealing with
bosh
it,
davlatlar yo'q.
or,
Hech
you
kim
know,
bularni
or perhaps,
voymay
you
olay
know,
demaydi.
one of your clients. We don't have a lot of
Bu
time,
nihoyatda
just
murakkab
over
masala.
you and thinking
Bu
about,
yerda faqat
you know,
qonuniy
how to
masala emas,
deal with these
balki
mental health
ko'chmanlik,
kinds of issues.
qayta u
Um,
kishilarni
Whole panel on that,
joylashtirish va
actually.
hukumatlar
So
o'zaro
for
moslashish
mental
masalalari bor.
health,
Ammo
I
ba'zida mundaq
personally suffer
bahonalar
from
faqat
transnational
bir
repression
byurokratik
for
to'solg'ularning
several years,
orqasiga
and before
yushirish bo'lib
transnational
qoldi.
repression, I was arrested in
Natijada
Egypt for
kishilar
my work
yolg'iz
and I
qoldirildi,
subjected
ular
to torture.
qo'rqinchsiz holatga tushib qoldi. Shunga
Most
bizning
of the
muhim
time,
vazifamizdan
I
biri
don't know
bu
how to
xil
say it,
qarorlar
but
va
it's,
siyosatlarni
really,
javobgarlikka tortish bo'lishi kerak.
it's
Uchurlar
become
texmi
part of
oshkor
my
bo'lishi kerak, haqiqat
personality that
texmi
I
ko'p kishilarga
feel
yetkazilishi
most
kerak.
stressed,
Balkim biz bu
have
kelgusida davomli
anxiety,
birlikda ishlaydigan muhim bir qadam bo'lishi mumkin.
Cannot be
Xo'sh,
calm
keyingi
for
so'zligicha
some moment,
mening
even if there is nothing happen
keyingi so'zligicha
those
hamda
days, always
deydi,
feel
o'zini
like
tanishtirib, mening ismim
something will
Tom
happen, and this
Schulze.
is the most
Men dunyo ruhiy kasalliklar
bad
jamiyati
feeling to
ning
live
kilarki
your
navbatlik
life just waiting for
raisi.
something bad will happen to you or your
Biz
family or your daughters or
123
your
davlatdagi
loved ones,
147
because
ruhiy kasalliklar
you used
jamiyatiga
to this
vakillik qilamiz.
feeling, you used to be punishment for your work, you used to, and I guess also this is the message behind the transnational repression against us in exile, to create this feeling of fear and to be isolated most of the time, to be suspect everything
Biz bu
around
xizmatni
you,
Abdullah
everyone
başladık.
around
Hozirgacha
you, to be
qilganlarimiz qilganlarimiz yetarli
isolated
emas.
and,
Şuna biz texmi ko'p ishlarni
to be waiting, and
öğrenişimiz,
this is
tecrübeyi
for me,
oluşumuz
I
gerek.
feel this is kind of a
Bugün men
strategy
bilen
to
bu yerde
distract
Thomas
you as a
Pencil
human rights
efendimi
defender
var.
or a
Bu
journalist,
bizning bu sohadagi xizmatlarimizga va xizmatlarimizga
far
rehberlik
away from the
qilayotganlardan
work
biri.
you do,
Bugün biz 3
because
maxsus
they know
maqsal
that,
muzokarasi tashkil
this
qildik.
kind of work, if it
Bizning asosiy
came
maqsadimiz
out,
bu xil
it
bostırishning
will
ruhiy
have
salomatlikka
impact
ko'rsatadigan
for-
ta'sirini
so,
texmi
and
yaxshi tushunish.
didn't
Menimcha
want
o'xshamagan
they
jamiyatlarning
want to
tajribasida
prevent it
nurg'un
from the
o'rtaqlik bor.
outset.
Ya'ni ba'zi o'rtaq omillar bor.
So for me,
Ammo shundan bir vaqtda har bir
developed
jamiyatning o'ziga xos
strategy,
alohidaliklari bor.
personal strategy
Shunga
depend
men
on
sizlarni
how
biz bilan
I
aloqalashishga
subjected
chaqiraman.
to this
Biz
kind
sizlar
of
bilan
repression
hamkorlashishni xohlaymiz.
to-
Sizlarning
so
tajribanglar,
if they want me
qarashlarni
to be
anglashni xohlaymiz.
isolated, I
Balki
will
biz
be
bilan biz
between
birlikda jamiyatlarga
others
yordam
to
bera
show
oladigan, ularga
solidarity,
qo'llanishga,
to talk about it.
ularga qo'llanishga bo'lgan
If they want
amaliy
me
strategiyalarni taraf
to
qila
be
olamiz.
always like in the dark, so
Chunki davlat
I will
alqagan
bring all
bostırishning
of this
ta'siri
to the
faqat
public
siyosiy yoki
and,
qonuniy sabab bilan
to
cheklanmaydi.
like receive
U
support
kishilarning ruhiy
from
salomatligiga, oilalariga
my
va
fellows
jamiyatning
from different
umumiy salomatligiga cho'nqur
nationality.
ta'sir ko'rsatdi.
I tried like to
Ko'p rahmat sizlarga.
to go to psychiatry also.
Rahmat, bu nihoyatda bir muhim
So
nuqtani
it's
o'ttirg'a
really,
qo'ygan
thankful
bo'ldingiz.
for also
Buni
the
biz
invitation.
bu
We
bizni
will-
yana bir
I
qatim
will come to the panel and
bu nuqtadan biz yana bir
like to know more.
savol so'rashga to'g'ri keldi.
Well, just before you, I was going to say, I deal with it really easily. I just drink a lot and then I forget about it. But no, but really, it does come with everybody in the room and having allies and being able to speak to your fellow colleagues and say, here's what I'm going through, here's what I'm dealing with. Please.
Yeah, I mean, the
Ba'zi kelishimlarga
psychological impact is huge.
biz
And
ba'zi
I
kishilarga
think
voy chidab
since a
turinglar,
lot
savrchan
of
bo'linglar, voy saqlab
people who are
turinglar
affected by TNR are also suffering with
deb
other
tuzoq bo'lmaydi.
problems. Learning a
Chunki
language, finding a
ba'zida sirtdan
status,
qaraganda hech qanday
working.
ish
This
hech
is one point
yuz
which is
bermaganda
mostly
ko'rinishi
just
mumkin.
pushed
Ammo
into the
bu
back.
kishilarning ichida
So
nimalarni
how
boshdan
can we change it
kechirayotganligini,
is actually like
bu
to
kishilarning ichida
actively
qandaq hissiyot, qandaq tuyg'ularni
read, learn,
boshdan kechirayotganligini,
and
qandaq
try
azob
to
oqibatlarni
work on the topic of
ichida
TNR. And for me
yashayotganligini
personally,
hech
it
kim bilmaydi.
definitely
Ular-
helped a lot to
ular
read the
kunlik
reports
besim,
from Freedom
qo'rqinch,
House, one
oilasidan
of the
ajralish va
pioneers
davomliq nazorat ostida
organization who
qilganda
started
his
working
qilishga
on
boshlaydi.
transnational repression, just to
Shundoq his tuyg'ular
understand
bilan
where do I
kunlarni
stand,
o'tkazdi.
where do my mother
Shunga
stand,
bizning
where are other
javobimiz
people of
faqat
our,
savr
our
qilinglar yoki
community
kutinglar
stand,
deyish
how
bo'lmasligi
is this
kerak.
all connected to
Biz
what is the
kishilarga
strategy
haqiqiy
behind
qo'llash,
it,
amaliy
and to be
yordam
just
va
more
qo'llash
aware about
mexanizmini
it.
ta'minlashimiz
And at the
kerak.
end, definitely was Basma said. I mean, I see our community. We have some community members, and I'm sure we have this here in the room as well, who are attacked so heavily by the CCP that you feel like you can't do anything because the CCP is stronger than everyone else, and they have something what is really precious for us, and these are our
Siz doim
family
biror
members.
yomon ishning o'zingizga
the
yuz berishini eslab
possibility to go
ishlaysiz.
back to
Siz o'z
Tibet, to
xizmatingizda,
Turkestan.
faoliyatingiz
So
yoki so'zlaringiz
they
uchun
do have the
bizarnishga
power to really
kunib qolsangiz,
put pressure
bir
on
xil
all
doim
of us because they understand the power of
bu bir xil doimlik
individuals.
besim
They
qo'yiladi.
understand what it means that what one
Menimcha,
person
muojizat
actually
ishlayotgan
could change and how one person
bizga qartilgan davlat
actually
alqagan
challenge a whole
dasturchining eng asosiy
system.
maqsadimiz shu.
And
Ular bizda
sometimes I
qo'rqinch
feel like
tuyg'usi
the host countries
yaratishni
we are
xohlaydi.
in, they
Ular
don't
bizni
understand this so
yolg'iz
much as the
qilishimizni
dictator
xohlaydi. Ya'ni
countries
Xitoy
do.
demoqchi.
But this is
Ko'pincha
how
vaqtlarda
it works, and
siz
I think this is something
atrofingizdagi
where we should
har
also gain
bir ishdan
our
gumonlanib
strengths from,
qolsiz.
that we
Va
know
hatto
that
ba'zida
we
bir
as
parcha rasm,
individuals
bir
are already
fikr
so
yoki
scary and
odatdagi
frightening
bir
for
aloqani
for a
aloqani sizni
big
andishaga soldi.
party like
Siz
the
doim o'zingizdan
CCP,
bu
that
bexatarmi?
this also
Buning
should
orqasida biror maqsad bormi
encourage us to
deb
really
so'rab qolsiz.
be
Bu
strong
xil ro'y
enough and
besim,
to
qo'rqinch
take care on
insonning
our
kunlik hayotiga
mental
cho'nqur
and
ta'sir
psychological
ko'rsatdi. Shaxsan men bu
strengths.
ahvolning oldini olishga tirishaman. Men mening butunlay kontrol qilinishiga yo'l qo'ymaslikka tirishaman.
You want to say something?
Ammo rostini aytsam, buning bilan bir taraf qilish hargiz oson ish emas. Bu nihoyat qiyin.
Visiting my clients,
Haqiqatan nihoyat qiyin.
to tell them the story of outside, I feel that help uplifting them a lot because I am the only one that connecting them with the outside world, and also increase the safety for them inside the prison as
Ilma?
well. But for me, I would do something that's so tired I
ben
cannot think
katılmaya
about my
katlayayım
work
yani.
anymore. I run marathon and then I meet somebody outside.
Ba'zida chaqchaq qilib, men
my,
ko'proq ichiman, ondan bu ishlarni unutib qolmayman deyman. Ammo rostini aytsam, mas unda emas. Amaliyotda bu xil besimlarga taqobil turishda eng muhim narsalarning biri bu uydagi kishilarga o'xshash do'stlarning, hamrohlarning, qo'lg'uchilarning bo'lishdir. Sizning boshqalar bilan so'zlashagan bo'lishingiz, xizmatdoshlaringizga men bu ishlarni boshdan kechiryapman, bu besimlarni duch kelyapman deyagan bo'lishingiz nihoyat muhim. Chunki bundaq ro'yi va psixik ta'sirning intayin cho'ng,
Thank you.
bundaq
So,
bu
just in
ishlarning ro'yi
closing,
psixik
first of all,
ta'siri
I'd like to
intayin
thank you
cho'ng. Bu
again
haqiqiy
for
eg'ir bir
today.
yuk. Men yana bir
As some of you know,
muhim
I'm a
nuqtani
publisher of
tilga olmoqchiman.
number
U
of
bo'lsa-mu,
Uyghurs, and we'll
bizning
be talking about
jamiyatimizga
this book
munosabatlik.
tomorrow
Bizning
in your
jamiyatimizda menimcha
Um,
bu yerdagi boshqa jamiyatlarda ham shunday ishlar bor.
Let's leave
Ular
here
Xitoy
today
Kompartiyasi
with
tarafidan
the
shunchalik
accomplishments,
eg'ir bosim
though,
uchraganki,
of so many in this
ba'zida
room, and I'm
o'zini
gonna give you an
butunlay
example
chorasiz his
in
qildi.
Canada.
Ularda mundaq bir tuyg'u
and it
bo'ldi.
relates to
Xitoy
publishing,
Kompartiyasi
but
pek
I
kuchli,
did a
ular
pres-
hamidan
I
kuchli,
did
biz
a,
ishni
book
qilolmaymiz.
launch with Rushana
Chunki
Bass
ular biz
in
uchun eng
Ottawa,
qimmatli narsalarni
about
nishon
6
qildi.
weeks ago.
Ular
Before
bizning
that press
oilamizni
conference,
nishon qildi,
Senator
bizning ota-onamizni,
Leo
tuqqanlarimizni,
Sackett came to me. I've been
bizni yaxshi
advocating
ko'rgan
with him,
kishilarni nishon qildi.
and he's the
Ular
official
qanchalik ular
Senate,
buning qanchalik kuchli
opposition
qurol
leader.
ekanligini nihoyat yaxshi bildi.
And he said,
Ular
"I'm
oila
going to
kishining
announce at
qimmatini
the
tushundi.
book
Ular
launch
bir
that
odamga
we're
besim
going to
qilish
put a
uchun uning
motion in the
oilasiga besim
Senate to have
ishilishning
Rushan's
qanchalik
sister
unumli ekanligini bildi.
released."
Shunga ba'zida
I said, "Wow, that's
bir odam nishon qilinganida
pretty
ko'rinsa-mu,
noble,
amaliyotda butun bir
gesture.
oila
No, I'm gonna
ziyon
do it, Dean."
tortadi.
I said, "Fantastic."
Ba'zida
So
hatto
the book
butun
launch that we did
bir
in Ottawa
jamiyat
from
buning ta'sirini
many
his qildi.
witnesses, he said, "I'm going to
Shunga
table
biz
this motion."
bir-birimizni qo'llashimiz,
So on Tuesday, I
o'zaro
received a
bir-birimizga
call
yolg'iz
from
emasligimizni
his office, and they
eslatib
were trying to get
turishimiz
a
va
hold
bu
of Rushan
besimlarga
at the same
qarshi
time
birlikda
to let me know that the senator was going to
Kuchli
table the
turishimiz
motion in an
nihoyat muhim.
hour from now in the Senate to advocate for the Canadian government, to advocate on behalf of Dr. Gulshan Abbas's release. So this is what advocacy can do. And I can tell you, of all the negative stories, how happy, how uplifting that was for me and for Rushan, and I hope for the whole Uyghur community. So all of the people in this room, continue to do your work because you are making a difference, even though it appears at times you are lonely. We are together.
Bugün
We're
keşte men
stronger
Michael'ı
together.
yoklap
Thank you,
geldim.
thank you to my other host and Miriam.
Kögül vardı. Menimce
And I hope you enjoy
bu
the panel.
ularning
Please
ro'y
feel free to
altını
talk
görüşke
to,
nahayetde
the panelists
zor yardım
afterwards. So thank you.
berdi. Çünkü men ularning sirtqi dünya bilen bolgan birdemir baglanışı hususiyetli his qilman.
Just
Ular
a
bilen
very
alaqalaş,
quick
ularning
note,
avazını
as
sirtqa
we're
yetküzüş,
closing here,
ularni
lunch
sirtqi
is
dünya
being
bilen
served
bağlap duruş
upstairs,
ular üçün
so,
nahayet mühim. Menimçe
yeah, I was
bu
told to
bu yana
let you
Uygurlar
know
türüm
that
içindeki
lunch is ready for you.
beqeterlikni
Thank you very much.
aşırdı.
And thank you to our amazing
Ularning türüne
speakers.
işideki beqeterlikni aşırdı. Çünkü sirtqi dünya ularning tutup unutup qalmaganligini, ularning ahvolliga diqqat qilganligini bildirdi. Ammo shaxsan man kelsak, ba'zida bu ishlar adam